This is the SOG PowerLock 2.0 EOD. It's model B69. It's got the compound leverage system. Doubles your squeezing force whenever you clamp down on the pliers. It's got a C4 spike in it. There's an owl. Can opener with a little small screwdriver on the top. Partially serrated knife blade. Got a large flathead screwdriver. Got a V-cutter blade. There's a Phillips screwdriver. There's a can opener with a flathead screwdriver on the end. And there is a three-sided file. All of the tools are held in place individually by a piano lock system here. You see all of these little individual locks. Got some comfort grips on the handle. The handles don't close all the way, so you don't have to worry about pinching the skin on your palm whenever you slip off of something. Those wire cutters in the middle of the jaw are strong enough to cut a quarter, actually. It's a butterfly opening. If you try hard enough, or you practice long enough, you can open these pliers with one hand. So you pull them out of your pocket and swing them around like that, and then pliers are open and ready for use. This is the SOG PowerLock 2.0 EOD, model B69.